Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys, I am going to show you guys how can you remove your name password lock in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to remove guys your name password lock in your Tecno phone. So guys, you can remove. And guys, now let's see how to remove name password lock in a Tecno phone. Guys, means you want to delete this password, you can delete. So first of all guys, we will have to on our phone setting to remove this password. Then guys, scroll it. As you can see your security settings, so guys, tap here. Guys, click on serial lock setting and guys, enter your name password. Then as you can see the swipe option, so I will take this. And as you can see this remove option, name password. Yes, we want to remove it, so guys, we will remove from here. So as you cannot use guys your name password lock setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password lock in a Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like my video. Bye.